Hey guys, it's Elijah Sofield here. Welcome back to Sofield Leather. This is the new shop, not fully furnished yet, but I want to show you what we have so far. So, let's take you there. All right, so here what we're doing is we're having Jeremiah and Dad. They're stitching right now. What are you guys stitching right now, Dad?
A pair of premium suspenders.
Premium suspenders.
Look right here. It's gonna have that on there.
How about you, Jeremiah?
I'm helping out.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Very nice, that's pretty cool.
Thank you, Jeremiah.
Let's go see what's on the other side. So far over here, we just finished, Dad and I finished dyeing a while ago. I know it's a little messy, but we're getting better at cleaning up and stuff. Let me see. Yeah, we have some more dyeing over here. It's really important to keep clean, especially when we're trying to keep quality control at check and everything. So far what we have is we have the F1 laser machine, which we are gonna start doing book binding and other sort of things involving laser cutting. So that's one of the main projects that we have so far. And we're working on creating, or ordering, you should say, a table that's gonna go inside the middle of the room here, in which we're gonna put the small F1 laser and this big laser right here, which is from X Tools, which we are not officially sponsoring yet, hopefully. We have the P2S.
Do you know, hey, real quick, Eli, I know I want to ruin your video, but you know what the P2S stands for?
What does it stand for, Dad?
Penguins Squared Saliva.
Wow, penguin squared saliva. And then here we have the same old clicker machine. It's not the old one, but it's a smaller version. And then we have the skiving here. We have some hole punching here. Same old setup, just in a different place. So it's looking pretty nice so far. And we have the same old Craftsman stuff over here. The leather hats all up there. And I'm pretty sure that was it. So thank you guys for watching the short video. Again, I am Elijah, and I will definitely be taking over the media, showing you the rest of the shop when it's fully furnished and everything. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you have a very Merry Christmas.